Welcome everybody to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is a DIY video and I'm participating in Crafty Christmas Challenge being hosted by Corinna from Life's Little Things. Do visit her channel for DIY, home, cooking and lovely videos. I'll put the link to her channel and to the playlist created by her in the description box below. And if you love to do DIY, decor, sew, recipes, home, travel, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. And hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Today I'm going to do a craft it's going to be a crafty video. So it's a craft, or rather a DIY. It's a project that I'm going to cherish the year round or as long as it can last, because I'm going to do a lovely project, a utility project, a thing that can be of use not just for decor. And I'm going to give it this lovely Christmas touch. To stay along the video till the end and see how I add Christmas flavor to this useful project and make it a decor item as well as a utility thing. This is actually a drawer and it's in a bad shape. I'm going to rip this off and give all this a good coat of white paint. It would work as a nice tray, I guess. So I ripped off these things from the base and just going to clean it really well and then give it a nice white paint. I really like the matte finish that has come out after 3 coats of white paint, and it's looking really nice now. And I need something for this hole, it's for the knob. Till I find something on it, I need to do something in the Christmas flavor, and let me show what I planned. I found a lid which is red in color, rectangular, and I tied some false greens and some white berries together with a jute string, and I'm going to hot glue it in the center, and this will become the knob. I'm going to glue it right now to the box, and later I can swipe it for something on it to give it an annual flavor, but this will do perfectly for Christmas craft. I've attached it here and I think it looks nice. Now let's decorate it. I really love how this piece has turned out. I love this touch of red berries and greens here, pine cones, a box full of pine cones and greens next to my belief sign. It's looking so beautiful and festive. I really love how this box has turned out. After the holidays, I can update this box for my everyday life, everyday beautiful use of this box. I really like this DIY of mine. If you love this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel, give like and comment on this video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.